Hi, we received this fun office chair as a gift, so we could put it together, show you how easy it is, try it out, and let you know our opinion. So here we go. We're going to put this together. These are all of the pieces, and it comes with an instruction manual. So this was actually so easy to put together. It took us 10 minutes, roughly. And I know there were two of us, but still, two of us putting it together, 10 minutes. It seemed like it was a lot of pieces, but in the end, it really wasn't. And so here we are just screwing everything in together. It does come with everything that you need with very clear instructions of what to do. So this chair is really unique because you can sit in it multiple different ways. I personally love to have my feet propped up or my legs crossed while I am sitting and working at my home office desk. And so that is the finished product. So you can sit it on it like this, cross your legs. Let's get a little bit of a better angle. Cross your legs like this. You could even turn that seat around and sit backwards on it with your feet propped up. I highly recommend this. It's so comfortable. Highly recommend. Thanks.
Go ahead and